Yeah, man, from your device, you don't know, say, a bones there represent, is it? Yo, me know, say, enough people, the interview not go the way, or enough people want to go still, enough for them just want to do if you come out and say, I use Queen if you go England and thing, but you don't know, he explain himself, is it? Yeah, man, him talk how thing I go when him go England, the thing get rougher with him and Queen. You don't know relationships, still people change more while, so that you must say Queen, do. They don't know it will for them difference now. A wife and husband, so them to find some way to work it out and them say the social media. Yo, me not say nothing more now. Only thing me I say, you just drop on a comment and tell me if Dewey has be honest and talk the truth or him want back in relationship where I'm play that way there. You don't know. Just like up a video and just go and share it out. You see it? And we don't have a full video now, but we have part of it, so we're going to leave a link when you can go over there and just watch a full video. You see? Yeah, man, and the channel Entertainment Reports Podcast. You see it? Yeah, man, go over there and support the thing.
Well, there's a lot's been going on, but and hopefully between me and my wife, where I come Canada and she didn't know. Reason being, we have a little dispute and but now I get no where they say no that sympathy that I was looking for. So yeah, me just decide for just make a move and say, alright, then I'm try Canada for the first time. And by doing that, I come Canada and it's like, it's a love, a joy. You understand? Yeah.
If you're going down the road and you didn't tell your wife, that's one thing. You're in a whole different country, boss. And you don't think that would cause any sort of problems?
Well, to be honest, when me that move, me know it cause problem.
Okay, so then you don't care then.
I never seen a caring, but at the same time, I just say, me need to be a man and, try to take on the journey by me once, for a minute. You understand? And by doing that, as me said, the love and the acceptance, the applause I get from the crowd is like, them, the crowd that say, do it you can do it.
Yeah.
You understand, sir? It's a journey.
If we're going to talk the truth, we're going to keep it 100%. I was on your page today, seeing you post some stuff. And when you go into the comment section, boss, that's where these people are killing you for Queenie, bro. You understand? So it's almost
Alright.
like, okay, tell me.
You see that now, me not pay it no mind.
You should.
Reason being, you see when people see you in the flesh, them get the acceptance where you want. But you see on the internet, them beat you go, them beat you come. You get me? So it's just a thing wherein the negative comment, it just give me the strength for this. Be strong. I know say you can do it. You understand? And I say I'm gonna take it for something, but it's at the same time I don't stamp on the negative.
You know that it's there, but you're not preying it like
that, yeah.
Yeah. Because according to Queenie, you guys are not married right now.
Well, that's what the queen said. But my cousin,
I want to go back because I feel like we just jumped right into the fire. I need to go back to how we even got here in the first place. How did you meet Queenie?
well, I see him internet, me meet her, man.
On the internet?
Yeah, me see her, fall in love with her whole vibes and, how she portray herself. You understand? Say, from this, me jump in her DM and from DM to WhatsApp and, from WhatsApp to in a real life.
Yeah.
You understand? And
what was it about Queenie that you liked?
she's a very caring person. Yeah, very.
She seems to care, but almost like too much sometimes. Because you could see her caring gets the best of her a lot of the times, you understand? And then this puts you in a particular situation because even you could see clearly there's a quite a significant age difference between the two of you guys. Do you find that that's a problem between the two of you guys where you might not understand her or she might not understand you type of thing?
There's a type of thing, yeah. Because sometimes, you know, she don't understand me. You understand? Wherein, to the point wherein she might explain herself to me and or explain a situation. And by explaining, you know, just move from zero to a million real quick. You understand?
I think you almost like that type of excitement, you know, Dewey. You
To be
understand?
honest with you, I never something what me used to. But, you know, knowing that I'm a wife, you understand me after this, as him say comply. You understand, sir? You know, but being did I comply with my wife and all of that, but at the same time, you know, that trip here when I take, you know, me just say, you know, me I be a man. You understand? And just do what me have to do.
Complying with your wife is one thing, but is your wife complying with you?
Not all the time.
Oh man, I saw them see ya. You understand? But it's more of a thing where now I understand the dynamics of the relationship a bit more because the relationship started on the internet. That's why so much stuff that happens in your relationship ends up on the internet.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
And, you know, to be honest with you, even the other day, me and her reason, and, you know, I tell her, I say, our relationship is not like a normal relationship. Because when a normal man and female wife have argument, you know, get hit on the internet. You understand? So, him now get the backlash when me I get. You understand the message? So, my thing more different. My thing have a different weight to it. You understand? Because when my wife a pressure me, you know, remember say, comment section the day again. We are give me one different pressure in it. Because sometimes me might not see it, you know, but you have some people check for me more time, and you know, them send me little clippings and them send me the little screenshot or somebody might you get me. I say, you know them people. You know, to be honest with you, sometimes I see it, you know, me a human being.
Of course.
They get me, it stick my brain more time. You understand? And my might squeal and the squeal when me squeal. You know, the person around me might say, yo, look at that money bigger than that. You understand? And by getting the adjustment there, it just make me know, say, yo, look that. No time for that. You understand?
But if you knew Queenie was like this, that went from 0 to 1 million quick, why did you guys even decide to get married? Why didn't you just keep it, let's boyfriend, girlfriend, keep it at that and anything
Alright,
anything?
to be honest with you, it was like that in the beginning. You understand? If we go back in our history, yes, when me and my wife did the Jamaica, you understand? You know, the first half, before we get the opportunity to go England. If men have an argument, she wouldn't put it on the internet. Well, me not know, but at that time, it was like that. You understand? Remember, one of the time me and her have an argument, and it's like me never complied with she say. And she drive out, and she drive out. She start bawl and put it on the internet and I scream. And I think that video go viral as well. You understand? And, you know, some call her back and I say, yo, where are you? And she say, tell me which part she then. You know, I'm go find her. I will make up back from this. So. You understand? So, as I say, the experience with me and her having a Jamaica, it wasn't like in England. A different experience when we reach England.
So what changed when you got to England then?
Well, to be honest with them, I don't know what change, I don't know if the weather change or what change, believe me. You get me? But something change.
Remember, when you're on vacation and you buck up somebody, we've been linking DM and all this, now I see you in person, but it's nice sand and beach and all this. That's one thing, you know.
Yeah.
You see, when I come home now, where this is where we're working, or the real bills are a real home now, it's a different ball game.
Different
You know,
ball game.
You understand? And were you ready for something like that?
To be honest with you, me they think I'm ready. I'm gonna put my foot in her shoes. I never feel it a squeeze at all. You see me? Sometimes it get tight, but no squeeze. If you get what me I say. You understand? And more on the ear, more make this clear to the ear. And the things are opportunity. Make my road more wife. Or make me stick with my wife. I just the love where I grow, where me and I grow with each other. You understand?
I get you a bit, but this to me,
Yeah.
as a man, my biggest problem, I'm talking about me, Muscle, the person you're talking to, is you see when it comes to pick up your phone and you're talking one bag of things, I could have loved you a little more. You understand? That not gonna work in a bad time.
Alright. I tell you something to be honest with you. See the love I have is like a love wearing it it's soft. You get me? You see from I put you in another special place. It's like if you stick me, it not fit me. Cause just the love. When me see it, to be honest with you, when me see it, my wife go as far as going to my mother. You understand me? I said no, this real. You understand? You get me? I something where me a human being, I can do at the same time. You understand? But me look upon him, I say, to be the bigger person. Yeah, in a sense, it's stoop to that level. You understand? So, me give her the PV because that's a fair thing. That's not my thing. You understand? Me know where she come from. You understand? And due to the fact that she knows that, she do it. So they do it or she do it. It's like a stick, she a stick me. You understand what I say? So sometimes when she go up on the internet and she talks some things and she says some things and she go on some way, you know for just to get me attention. You understand? So, it no bother me.
A lot of people, or you know what, not even a lot of people, let me ask you this straight 1000%, man to man, brethren to brethren. Internet, they're going to see it in everything, all right? Was Queenie your ticket to England? That's the way you've seen it? Say, listen, this is my way out of whatever situation, and this is how I'm going to get to where I'm going, because you're putting up with some real unnecessary lifestyle. But it's not like it's not one way. It's not coming from her too. You're doing your dirt too, boss. You understand? So again, as I said, the question was Queenie your ticket too far?
Alright, to be honest with you, when
100%.
When me and my wife I get together, you understand me I say? There was nothing like that. You understand? But by, we get in, somebody address her and make she know say whatever. So when me hear people attack and I make them comment, not our marriage was nothing for no paper. As me said to you, is a woman way. She just gave that genuine care there. And from she gave that care there, I got develop that sense of love there for her. You understand? So, when me hear people talk about my ticket and she was my way for go England and me just say, you just attack.
But as somebody outside looking in, could you understand why people would think that? Could you at least understand why somebody would think that?
Well, yeah.
Yeah. I think we're having a conversation. You're being, I'll go as far as 80% truthful, but there's still a 20% that you're holding on to, Dewey. You understand?
Alright, you have it up. Yeah, be real 100.
That's all we want.
In a real life. Guys, some things they ask me, you understand, me never did want to get in that, but me I be frank. You understand? So, that is that. You get me?
Yeah, because, as I said, really and truly, when I said, okay, I'm going to do this, I started to, do some research, because I'm more research-based. When I talk to you, I like to know who I'm talking to. You know what I mean? But as soon as you put it in, the first thing you start to see before your music is the pasa. You understand?